Hello everyone, it's Eva's Art Studio here, and today I will be showing you another watercolor art. So if you like watercolor, I made like another video today of another project for watercolor. If your kids like watercolor, I could do more. So for watercolor painting, don't forget what you need. You'll need a pack of paint, one pencil or a school pencil, one wet paper towel, a cup full of half water, and brushes. So today's watercolor project will be rainbow rain, and I'll show you how to draw it. So let's get started. First, you could draw like a gender, like a boy or girl, and I'll go ahead and draw a girl. So there's the little girl, and I'll draw a little like rain hat right here, and then I'll do like hair sticking out. And those are like some like soft lines right here for it, and or you can actually make it larger and erase this part. And now let's draw a cute little face right here. Or you can like get a pen to trace this around later. And I'll do three little eye dashes on each eye right here. So there's the three little eye dashes, and then I'll draw her little raincoat. So here's one arm right here, and I'll make it just shorter by erasing it. And I'll draw pants under it, and boots also right here. So make sure that you have like a 9x12 watercolor paper right here, and I'll draw a rainbow beside her by doing one. I'll just move this a little bit closer so that you could see it. So, got 4 lines already. Actually, now it's 4 lines. So you will need 6 lines, and I'll scoot it like a little bit low so that some of you could see it. And look at this, and let's count the line. Okay, we have 6 already, and now it's the fun part. We're going to paint. So before we paint, let's, and now it's time to paint. So are you ready? So if you are doing this project, you should have everything that you need. So this doesn't come with its own brush, but I put this brush in here. And we will be using this little one, and I'll be using the others also. So let's start painting. So the first step you do is something that you all know. So you take, so here I have my bowl of paintbrushes here, and I'll take this brush right here, and then grab your water cup, and then you like put water on there. So you do 2 layers of water and make sure that like all the way wet. So last color right here. And now let's paint. So first we're going to start with the girl. So first step, you grab a brush that you want. I got this one right here. And then I'm going to choose yellow right here. And then you could also mix the colors on this factory. So right here. I'll show you it on here. And then I'll mix like a little like skin color right here. So maybe you need other paints to mix the skin color, because this only has 6 colors. So I'll get the skin color. So all I found in my studio was those 2 paints. And I think you've seen this before in my last video. So I'm just going to try to use those 2 to make a skin color, and they're window paints. Because those are the only colors I could find. So I'm going to squeeze some right here. And this right here. So we only need a little bit of this, and this one kind of like almost out. So I'll do that. And then use this brush to mix those 2 together. And it's starting to mix. And I'll turn them into watercolor today so that you could see it right here. So and some of this right here for the face, and those are like working just like watercolor because I added water to the window paints because I used this for my last project in our last video. I'll just move this out of the way so that I could paint. And look, it's working just like watercolor. See? And now I'm going to paint the boots. I'll paint it, so watch. Like, I'm going to mix dark purple right here. And let's see the color. And yellow. And remember this color from the last video that I made? So, you see this, and this is a great boot color. It's a kind of an orange color right here. And look at the orange color of the boot. And her coat will be light yellow. I mean, just regular yellow. And I'll do a little pocket here. And then I'm going to paint. And did remember that we used this from our last watercolor video? And if you like watercolor, I could like take more videos of it. And I'm sure you liked that video of the watercolor. So just do this all over with yellow. And you can also use window paints to make watercolor. So you just like, I put like paint on the little like outlining of the packaging right there. And then you could make little like details. Actually, then you put you put some touch of your water there, and then you mix, and then it's a water color. If you want to, if you have window paint, acrylic window paint, and you can turn them into watercolor. So now I'll pick light purple or violet right here, and then I'll do the pocket detail color. Right here. And this is like, it'd be a raincoat and the pants will be light blue and dark purple mixed together, and this makes a beautiful, lovely color. And I'll show you how it looks like on our board, or like little like paint paper, and it's a very pretty color that you use. And now I'll get more window paints and turn them into watercolors. Okay, got more window paints right here in my art studio, and now I'm going to paint, and I'll turn them into watercolor instead of normal rainbow paint. So I'll show you how it will work. First, you will take a favorite color that you like. You squeeze some on somewhere that you like, and I'll get another art stuff to make it. So this is in like old little paint board right here, and then I'm going to squeeze teeny bit of window paint right here, and I'll take purple right here and then squeeze it. And after that is yellow to make her boots. Now add a touch of water, and then you mix, and it makes a little boot color. I'll put some on here and then mix, and it's watercolor. Or it's like a rotten banana color, maybe, or it's like a boot and banana color. And then it's a new watercolor that you make. So here's the regular window paint and watercolor window paint. And I'll paint some of this like rotten banana color on her boot. See, it is a banana color. So now I'll mix purple. I mix purple. I mix purple water paint right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I'll put some water color right here. And then I' have. And then I'm going to mix yellow on this side. And I mixed a brown or water paint right here, and then I'll use more yellow for her hat. And then I'm going to do the browner color for her hair. I'm looking at the little girl, and I'm going to use red window paint, and it's going to be turned into watercolor. So squeeze a teeny drop of red on here, and then I'll mix it into another clean space right here. And then I'm going to add some water right here. And red water paint is done. And then I'll start painting the rainbow. I'll add more water paint or window paint right here. And then I'm going to mix it up. And then I mixed red window paint with water, and I mixed watercolor. And where did the orange go? Oh, there it is. And I'm going to mix orange right here. And then I'll just put some of it out. And then put a little bit of water to my brush, and then I'm going to mix orange water paint right here beside the red. And then I'm going to paint the whole rainbow on here. And next, yellow. And I'll paint the whole thing on this line with yellow, just like a coat. Green. And this is like a grass green on this rainbow. And look at the green. And now I'm going to make a beautiful color. With green and blue. So I'm going to do green, water paint, place it on the plate, and then blue water paint. And it makes it turquoise color. And it's like a fresh ocean color with water, and we're using water now with watercolor. And we just made turquoise using blue and green water paint. Last but not least is dark purple for the rainbow. And I'll add more and more purple paint right here. And it's like a rainbow world in this picture. And it is maybe. Now we're almost done. And last time this was like about 34 minutes and now it's time for the sky. So teach you how to paint the sky. First, grab blue paint on your big brush, and then you put paint on here until it's all dried up. Now you paint the whole sky with blue water paint. And for the raindrops, I do little blue dots. And last, we're going to pick a smile for the little girl. So now it's time to do the smile. First, you pick a really thin brush like the one I have, and then dip it with a little bit of water. And this time I'm just going to use one touch of window paint. And this is a happy smile. It means that she's very happy. And then I'm going to do the rainbow lines. First, I'm going to grab only red window paint, and it's making it into watercolor. I'm going to squeeze orange on this white. And that was 3 squirts of orange. Take a little bit of orange and paint. Yellow now. Green. Darker blue. And we need less and less water for this one. And then purple. Violet purple. And my favorite color is pink. And it's a rainbow line. And I'm going to start all over again. So red, orange, yellow, green, very dark blue, darker version of purple, violet purple, pink. So I don't know how many times I'll start over, so just do the same thing every time for rainbow rain. And I need more red right here. Red, orange, yellow, yellow, green, dark blue, purple, violet, purple, and my favorite color is pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, dark blue, purple, violet, purple, and pink. And now it's just a few colors of the rainbow. So red, orange, yellow, and now last color is green. And look at our rainbow, the rain project. And we did not get to use this one today, but we get to use a lot of other brushes today. And now we have last part right here. It's this little part for the girl. So I'm going to choose my favorite color, pink. And I'll take bigger brush. And paint it with lots of pink right here. And you don't have to do the same color as mine. It does not have to be pink, but you can like choose your favorite color. But mine is pink. Now I'll choose pink right here, and then I'm going to paint the whole thing with paint. And this is like a color one, just like the one. It's just like the one we did last time. And it's very pretty, right? look at all this color we used today. And it's even longer than the video I did last time. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video last time. I'm going to use a little like pencil and like it's called Rainbow Rain, and it's written right here on the rainbow. See, Rainbow Rain, and look at this cute project we did today. And do you guys like it? I hope you did. And if you like, and I'll tell you, if your kids like watercolor, I'm going to take more video of it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next art video. And what do you want it to be? Do you want it to be fold? Wait, so what do you want me to do in my next video? Do you want more watercolor? More like snow globe making kids? Or maybe like actually snow globe making kids fold, origami kids craft, like jars decorating, and I think you could like, and I think your kids must like the watercolor video we did today. So have a nice day, and I'll see you in my next video. And I might do like more glitzy go videos if you really like it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. And what video do you want me to do? So I'll see you in my next video, and that's all for today.